Just hours before kick-off, the Queensland government brought in more measures, mandating masks at tonight's second state of origin, responding to the rise in COVID cases across the country. 3 of those are in Queensland.
2 of them detected in people who were out and about in the community.
Late today, a 3rd case was detected, a mine worker who returned from the Northern Territory and transited through Brisbane Airport before travelling to the Sunshine Coast. While still waiting for the results of genome sequencing, Queensland Health expects the first 2 cases to be the Alpha variant, not Delta, spreading across New South Wales. The first case is a woman who worked at the DFO and the Brisbane Watch House, which is now in lockdown. But the Chief Health Officer doesn't believe this is connected to the original DFO case, where a returned flight attendant who had tested negative in hotel quarantine later tested positive after visiting the centre.
We know that they're known to friends of some of the people who attended that Portuguese restaurant.
The woman's partner has also tested positive after developing symptoms on the 23rd of June. Queenslanders are urged to check the growing list of exposure sites. Good Life gyms in the Valley, West End and Anytime Fitness in Hamilton, a massage business at West End, Woolworths both at Gasworks and Tenerife, plus Coles at Indooroopilly Shopping Centre, as well as nail salons, the Hendra Post Office and several cafes and restaurants.
If you've been to certain venues, we ask you to get tested, even if you haven't had any symptoms.
While there's no hard border with New South Wales, the message couldn't be clearer.
We are urging Queenslanders, do not go to New South Wales. If you are holidaying at the moment in New South Wales, you should reconsider that and think about returning home.
Anyone in Queensland who has returned from any of the 35 local government areas will now need to follow the New South Wales directive. Only days after restrictions were eased, Queensland pubs, cafes and restaurants will have to adhere to the 1 person per 2 metre square rule as of 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
It's a little bit disappointing because on Friday we had a little bit of a relax of the measures, but we know that this is going to happen.
Elizabeth Cramsey, ABC News.